This is Mr. Remy with a video on how to make a blog entry. Click New Post. Click New Post. There's a bunch of instructions in green. Read those, follow those. Bunch of gray stuff down here that you're going to change. I've typed all my stuff in a separate file. It's a little easier for me. Does spell check for me, all that kind of stuff. All right, so what does it say to do first? Put a title. All right, there's my title. Do not change the bold underline stuff below. That means you need these. What? Geometry, topic, about, location. You need those. But we will replace the gray bracketed information here. Okay. What? Heptagonal white and red coaster. That's what I want people to focus on. That's what it is. You're going to change these fonts later so everything looks good. Geometry topic. How is it related to geometry? Excuse me. It's in the shape of regular heptagon. I don't know why this is being a pain, but it's being a pain all day. 10th attempt at making this video. All right. Property definition, etc. That goes in the about section. And you need 2 geometry facts in there. Location, be as specific as possible. Unless it's at your house, then just put Andover, Mass. Or whatever town you live in. Comment, some additional information about where you saw it, what you saw, why you thought it was interesting. Okay, so I've put all that in there. I'm going to change that font and everything later. Insert picture. All right, let me click where I want it to be. I'm going to want it to be above the wording. You need it to be above the wording. So insert the image. Heptagon. All right, there it is. Now you can change the size. I happen to know that extra large is too big because I just tried it earlier, but large is pretty good. All right, I have my picture, I have a space, then I have the words. Let me fix all of this. I want all of this to be the same size, color, etc. So, what color? The gray that's above the greens. What font size? Large. This is what you should have as well. What font type? Helvetica. Okay, so make sure that those are the settings that you have as well. Helvetica, large. I don't need to worry about that. And the gray that's above the green. One space in between. This came out weird last time too. I think I'm going to have a problem. The same problem I've been having, but let's see if we can fix it. What's next? Labels. On the right, you'll put labels in here. They will act like hashtags. You should have a label for whatever the object is. Mine is a coaster. You should have a label for every geometry word or term that is in there. Do not make labels plural unless you have no choice. Use triangle instead of triangles, but if you have something like parallel line, that doesn't make sense. Parallel lines does make sense. Singular unless you have no choice. Then you'll click the location button down here, and you'll put in your location. Be as specific as possible. Unless it's your house, then just put Andover, Mass, or whatever town you live in. I put that in there. I click the magnifying glass so we can look for it. Appears to have found it. I can zoom in later if I'd like. Okay, delete all the green, and then you'll have to click, well, you don't have to click save, it'll save automatically, but you will have to click publish. And then you want to look it over. So let's delete the green, and then we'll publish. All right, that looks pretty good. How's it looking down here? This still looks like a mess. I might need to retype that within this screen, but let's see. All right, if I click publish, let's see what I get. It's not necessarily going to look like what you think it's going to look like, so you got to check. How is it looking? That looks good, that looks good. How about down here? I don't know why these are white. You might not be able to make any changes. This looks a little bit weird, but I don't know that there's anything we can do about that. Let me look back here. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, because that stuff down there looks weird, is I'm going to type it again within the screen. All right, type it again within the screen, and then it will look normal. This is supposed to be bold and underlined. So if it doesn't look like it's supposed to, retype it, because if you cut and paste, sometimes weirdness happens. But once you make those fixes, let me go back. I'm just going to leave those unsaved. Once you go back, you just want to check over, make sure it looks like it's supposed to look. Go back and change things if you need to. You'll have your name here. You'll have all your labels, which will act like hashtags. If you click Polygon, you'll see all the other posts that have a label of Polygon. All right, and if you click on the address, it should take you to the address where you saw this. All right, so make sure that all of that looks the way you think it should look. All right, there it is. Where are you right now? Are you over here-ish? Are you over here, down there, over there? All right, the end.